Very good. Excited. Excited for today's class. Okay, people are still joining. Oh, Shriniket is excited. Okay. What did we discuss yesterday? Anybody wants to? Okay, anybody wants to explain that? Is Riyansh? I'll give chance for everybody, huh? Next will be Bhavishya and then Himaswara.
Uh, are you telling that the certificate will come if we do the oral test and everything? Today we do it or not?
You're talking about the levels completion certificate.
Yes, ma'am.
You'll get it if you attend all the classes, then do all the tests, oral tests, everything. You all are in level 3 now, right? Level 1 and 2 completed. Okay, you are in level 2. Nice, very good. Very
Level
good,
3.
very nice. Yeah, level 2 is done. This is level 3.
Yes, Madhuri.
Okay, very nice. Pure
Honeymoon to
shock.
you all.
Yes, Bhavishya.
Ma'am, we learned about Neil Madhav in yesterday's class, and you said that you will say that what happened after they opened the door.
Yes, very good. Yes, Hima.
Mom, yesterday we discussed about the story of Jagannath Puri
Hmm.
Mahadev. In that story, you told about the Vidvasu,
Vishwasu.
Vishwasu, Lalita, Indradyumna,
Hmm.
Gundicha, Gundicha,
Ah,
and
nice.
Subhadra, Krishna, Balram were the
Very
Jagannath
nice.
Puri Mahadevs.
Very nice. Very good. You remember everybody's name. Nice. Anybody else wants to tell? Anish, you want to tell? Yes or no? Can you unmute?
Ma'am, yesterday we learned about Neil Madhav and Lord Jagannath.
Good. Riddhesh wants to add something.
Ma'am, in the last, the Viswasu was called to lift the log because the king cannot lift. He also used the large elephants, but they can't lift it. So Viswasu lifted it, and everyone was in shock because only one thin man can lift. We used lot of things, but the log didn't get up.
Very nice. Very good. Kritikshan want to tell something? No. Siri, you won't? No. Okay. Who else wants to say? Switch on your videos, camera. Charan, Durvika, Pratiksha, Tejas, Aparna, Kian. Okay. So In the last class, what we discussed was Indradyumna king. He was a great devotee, and as suggested by Narad Muni, he sends Vidyapati to forest to find Neel Madhav. And on his way, he will find a tribal person. His name is Vishwasu. He will invite him to his home, and he'll have a daughter named Lalita. And he will observe that he always goes somewhere in the evening and then returns the next morning. So curiously, he will ask, where does your father go? And then Lalita will say, no, he'll scold me for asking and I won't ask. And then they'll marry each other. And after marriage, now he is a family member. He has rights to question. So he'll go question again. And after so much, Vishwasu will take them to that place, covering their eyes. He'll cover their eyes and he will take them to that place, and there they will see Neel Madhav statue, and suddenly he will remember that king had sent me, and he will go back to the king and will explain everything. After listening to the explanation that this such wonderful statue of God, idol of Neel Madhav is there, everybody in the state wants to come and visit Neel Madhav. And on the way, when they come, they will get an Akashawani saying Neel Madhav has disappeared. He won't appear now. So king will be very sad and he will do yagna. And then again, God will come and he will say that he will come in the form of wooden log, and you should take that and make idol out of it and then pray to me. And then after waiting for years and years, a wooden log will come floating in the water. Nobody can lift that. And then who will lift? Vishwasu. They will call Vishwasu, and he has become a skeleton. Yes, Kritikshani, want to answer something? Okay.
Ma'am, the skeleton lifted the Neel Madhav.
Oh, very nice. Yes, Sanvika.
They dance.
Nice. Yes, dancingly, very happily. He will go jump into the water and lift it and then keep it outside. And they'll call so many carpenters now. Second task is to make the idol. So they'll call so many carpenters, nobody can do it. And then one aged person, comes in the Lord only comes in the form of aged person. His name is Anant Maharana. So he will come and he will give the condition now. For 21 days, nobody should enter the room. Then what happens? The queen is now worried. It is 11th day and there is no voice from inside. So she is worried now that something has happened to him, and she will force the king to open the door. Now the king opens the door. What did he see? Any guesses? I want you to guess. Put it in the chat box. Siddharth. Yes, Shriniket.
He'll see the carpenter, this one, carving.
He'll see him carving. Okay. Nice. Anybody else? Okay, somebody has, Anish Abhigna has put Jagannath. Okay. Sanvika is telling Jagannath's story. Okay, nice. So, what does he see? Let me show you. Can you see my screen? Now your king is opening the door and he sees 3 idols with no hands, no legs. It has big, big eyes, big mouth, but no hands and no legs. Now king becomes very sad because he remembers now that the old man had said that nobody should open the door for 21 days, and he opened the door at 11th day. Now this is incomplete, and they won't find that old man, the carpenter, anywhere inside. Now they are thinking, where did the old man disappear? He was inside only, no? There is no other way to get out. Suddenly, where did he disappear and all? Again, they are thinking, now what about this? I could not. Now he is again sad now, the king. Because first thing is he did not get chance to see Neel Madhav. When he came, he was a little bit late. And then he got Akashawani saying, I am disappearing. Now he could not see Neel Madhav. And also second thing, he got all the things. He got the carpenter finally, but an incomplete idols, incomplete murtis. Now he starts crying. Aparna, you have any question? Yes.
I want to answer the question.
Answer.
About the idols. It was Neel Madhav the carpenter.
Okay, nice. So, what happens then? He'll start crying that, see, this happened, now the DTs are incomplete, what to do and all. Then Narad Muni comes. He'll say, why are you crying? What happened? Yes, Pavitra. He'll say, what happened? And then he will be crying, and the king will say, see, this is incomplete now. The DTs are incomplete. What to do now? How it is very difficultly I got a carpenter. That too after so long. And now since I opened the door, I got this incomplete DTs. No hands, no legs and all. Narad Muni will smile and he'll say, Arey, this is not incomplete. Wait, let me tell you a story. And he will tell a story. What is that he'll tell? A very long back, what happened? Once I I was just passing by Dwarka. And there what happened once, now he's narrating the old story. Okay. So Krishna has everything, no? He has wealth, a palace, parents to take care of, everything, happy life, brothers, sisters and all. He's very happy. But still, he keeps crying sometimes silently. Goes to corner, will be sad, sometimes emotions he will express. And the night he'll sleep and he will converse somebody's name, some Radharani's name. And all his wives, 1,600 and, sorry, 16,108 wives, they are now worried. What is wrong with Krishna? He has everything. He is happy. He should be happy, no? He has everything, but why does he keep crying all day? And then he keeps memorizing. He keeps calling somebody's name in his dream and all. Who is that? We want to know. Now they are curious to know, but they don't know whom to approach now. Whom to ask? If you have any doubt, you have, okay. If some teacher teaches you, know, okay, we can ask doubt with this teacher. Now he wants to know. They want to know about Krishna. Whom to ask? They'll discuss among themselves. And suddenly they'll remember, Rohini Mata. Rohini is Balram's and Subhadra's mother. Okay? And she also was there to take care of Krishna when he was a kid. So they will think now, we can go to Rohini Mata. Let's go and ask her. We'll get all our doubts cleared. And they all will go to Rohini Mata and they'll ask, what's wrong with him? What is that something? What is the pastime that Krishna will always be lost into? What is that memory? So much of old memories or something that he has. I want to know. We want to know. They'll go and ask. Now Rohini will say, I can tell you this, but when I tell you this story, I don't want Krishna and Balram to listen to this story. Because that is so emotional that they'll be, if they listen to it again, they'll be lost into it and they'll be very emotional. They'll start crying and they'll express their emotions out. So they don't want them to listen. Okay, this is what he says. And then what happens? They'll think what to do. First, they'll think, we'll lock the door. Everybody will go in with Rohini Mata and they'll lock the door and won't allow them. Now they need a watchman to make them stop at the door. No, Krishna and Balram should not enter. But is there any watchman who can stop them? Can a watchman stop owner from entering the house? Because that is owner's house, no? If a watchman says, hey, no, you can't enter this home, what will you do? You'll start scolding him. This is my home. How can you not allow me? No? So they'll think now, what to do? Whom to hire? Suddenly they'll remember, Subhadra. Subhadra is Krishna and Balram's sister. They'll say, and she is very dearest to them. She can fight. You will fight with your siblings and all, no? You'll love them, you'll fight them, you'll share things with them, you'll tell secrets to them, you'll do mischievous tasks together. So same way Subhadra was to them. No, Bhima is telling no. Why? Sriniket has something to add? Okay, you're telling you'll do. Riyansh.
Ma'am, can you write everything inside the chat box so that I can write in my paper?
Okay, what do you want to write?
The whole story which you told.
Whole story.
Like you told something till now, right? I want that all to be written in the chat so that I can write
The names.
the names.
Sure. Yes, Sriniket.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Can we take it at the end?
Ma'am, like the carpenter said it will take 22 days.
21 days.
The king said the king opened the door on the 11th day. The carpenter stopped carving that day.
I'll answer it at the end. Okay? After this story. What else you want, Rohini? Subhadra. Yes. So they'll say now, let us appoint Subhadra. They'll call Subhadra and they'll tell, okay, listen, we'll be inside this room and you should stand outside the gate. We'll lock the room from inside and you should not allow Krishna and Balram if they come outside. You should stop them. You should tell you can't enter inside, okay? Now Subhadra will agree without any questions. Okay, fine, I'll do it. And she'll stand outside the door. Now Rohini starts explaining them all the pastimes of Krishna and Balram, like how in young age, in his childhood, how naughty he was. He used to eat makhan, butter. He used to steal that from home. And even after um, uh, his mother stopping him, he used to go and eat without her knowing, and him lifting heavy things and then killing the snake and everything. She'll start narrating the story, what all happened in his childhood, how he was and all. And then now Subhadra will think, okay, what's going on inside? She did not question earlier, and suddenly she'll start thinking, okay, there is something which I have to see. And there will be a door, there will be corner space there. And from there, she'll see what's going on first. And then she'll see, okay, there is something they're explaining. All are sitting in a round way, fashion together. And Rohini is explaining something. She'll put her ears there and try to listen what's going on. And she'll listen all these things. Okay, Krishna's past them and all. Now she is very much lost into it. She'll keep on listening, smiling, happy emotions and all. She'll start expressing. At that same time, Krishna and Balram will be going somewhere in their chariot. What happens? The chariot will know, okay, there is something, somebody is appreciating Krishna and Balram there. And the chariot, while going, it will stop and it will turn the way. It will redirect them to that palace. Now, Krishna and Balram will be thinking, what's going on? Why is this chariot going back? And it will go back and then stand in front of that palace. Then what they'll do, they'll get down. Okay, let us see what's going on. They'll go inside and they'll see everywhere. They won't find anybody. They'll first find Rohini Mata. Where is she? She's not there. And others, gopis and others where? Nobody is there. Where are everybody? Where did everybody disappear? Now they'll go and they'll see there somebody. Subhadra is standing near door like this. Like a thief listening silently. Why is she standing like that? And they both will go near her. What is so much curious? And at that time, she forgets that she has a task to stop Krishna and Balram from listening to this. She'll be listening. She'll say, shh, don't talk. When they come, they'll ask, what are you doing here? She'll say, shh, don't disturb me. Let me listen. And she's listening. Now, Krishna and Balram are curious. They'll think, there's so much. Okay, let us also listen. They'll also keep their ears and they'll listen. Okay, Siddharth is closing his ears. He doesn't want to listen. Aparna also. Okay, so they'll start to listen. And what happens? Lord, like us, if we listen something interesting, what will happen usually for us? If something is very much exciting, our hair strands stand, right? We'll get goosebumps. No, it stands. Right? Observed ever? If you get cold also, it will stand. Kritik Shan is asking somebody. Yeah, Anish knows. Okay. So that is one thing. And then our expressions will be like, wow, nice, and all. It could be expressed normally. But for God, his soul and body are same. It won't change. For us, we are soul. You learned this in a Bhagavad Gita class, right? We are soul. Our body changes. Sanvika did not learn. You did not attend. No. Okay. So, but for God, it is same. So what happens? They will express their emotions from their body. So what happens? While listening, their eyes turn very big. Ears also very attentive and their body starts to shrink. And they'll become a different form, like big eyes, hands and legs, body all shrink to small and all. At that time, Narad Muni will be passing and suddenly he will see, who are these in this appearance? And they'll see, he'll go near them and he'll see, okay, this is Krishna, Balram and Subhadra. And suddenly they will be very much involved into it. They'll be listening. Suddenly they'll see, okay, Narad Muni is here. They'll be very hesitant. They'll feel very awkward. Oh, Narad Muni saw us in this appearance. We were looking very ugly, kind of, not ugly, but they will feel that it is very weird that he saw us. Now, what to do? Now, they want it to be secret. They don't want him to tell it to anybody. And suddenly Narad Muni will say, what is this appearance of yours? I didn't know that you have this appearance also. And he is very much impressed to see three of them in that form. So he'll come and now what Krishna, Balram and Subhadra will say is, see, don't tell this to anyone. This is now secret between us, okay? I don't want you to tell this to anybody, this form of us to anybody. Okay. Now, if I said not to tell, you won't agree. Okay, fine. I'll give you something like how you will say to your friends, I'll give you chocolate. Don't tell ma'am that I have done this. I'll give you chocolate. I'll give you something. I'll give you a gift. Don't tell mother. that I have done this. I have not done homework. Don't tell it to anybody. So in the same way, what they'll say, uh, don't tell it to anybody. Instead, I ask for a wish. I'll give you. Now Narad Muni will say, are you sure? Any wish? They'll say, yeah, any wish. You ask anything, but don't tell this one to anyone. Now he'll say, really? Yes. Now Narad Muni will say, I want whatever I saw, I want whole world to see this appearance of yours. It is very wonderful appearance. Now he likes that. He liked that. This is very wonderful appearance of yours, and only I saw it. I want whole world, all the devotees to see this form of yours. This is what I wish. Now Krishna, Balaram, and Subhadra will be like, Are, I did not want him to tell this to anybody. Now he is asking me to show this form to whole world. What to do? He has promised now. Word once given is done. Now they'll say, okay, fine. After 50 years, after completion of 50 years of Brahma, I'll appear in this form. So this is what story Narad Muni tells to Indradyumna. And he'll tell, this is not incomplete idols. These are the real forms of God, which I saw back then, long years back. So be happy. Why are you crying? Don't cry. Now, Indradyumna Maharaj is satisfied. Okay, then this is not a mistake. He thought he has committed mistake in opening the door. So it was God's own plan. It was God's plan to make him think that it is his mistake. Shriniket got it. Where is Shriniket? Raise your hands. So it was God's plan to confuse king. He opened the door and he wanted him to regret and then feel happy that this is the form. And then Narad Muni came to answer his questions. What happened in the previous time? What was that and all? Okay, so it was a plan. So on the 11th day, he opened the door and this happened. He is now happy. Now what they'll do, they'll place him in the temple, place the idol in the temple. And then now they want to do the Abhishek to pray them. Now they want to call somebody special person to pray to God. Now what they'll think to invite Brahmaji. Earlier back then, there was a vehicle, the transport system to go from one planet to another planet. You know Pushpaka Viman? Ravan had. So like that, they had vehicles to go from one planet to another planet. So what they'll do now, Indradyumna Maharaj will, after all this, they'll go and he'll say, I'll go and invite Brahmaji for this. And he will go. Now, Brahmaji's time span and all are very different. It is not like us. Earth rotates in 24 hours it takes to rotate, and then one revolution around the sun will take 1 year. So, but that and all Brahmalok and all, it is very different. So the time it takes to travel there and come back down to earth, he'll go and he will invite. It is very huge. So what will happen? He'll invite Brahmaji and he will come down. And by the time he comes down, it will be so many years passes by. It will be around 1,000+ years or hundreds and thousands years. When he comes down, the land will be occupied by somebody else. Some other kings and all. In your social studies, have you studied about kings, their territories? Okay, few have not. It's okay. So back then there was a system that after fight and all, the war, who wins, that person will occupy those areas. And it was then occupied by somebody else. Now he will come, Indradyumna king, and he will say them, no, this is my place. see, this temple is built by me, and I have done this pratishta, pran pratishta needs to be done about Lord. I have Lord carvings and all. How can you occupy this? This is my land. Now they'll say, no, no. What proof do you have? He'll explain everything. No, I went to Brahmalok and it took so many time to come back and then do all this process. Took so much of time, and by that time you have occupied everything. They'll not agree. How without proof somebody will agree that this is my land, give me? Who will give? No, they'll find the proofs. Whom to approach, whom to see, what to do, and all. And there they'll find a banyan tree. Back then everything was talking. So banyan tree, they'll go, okay, this banyan tree was there when I left back then. He'll go and ask. Who will go? King will go and ask. You were there, no? Back then. You remember all these things. What all happened? You please tell this to them. No, banyan tree will tell. Yeah, all this happened. He went to. In school, I have class. Sanvika, you have party. You need to go now. No. Okay. Okay, Siddharth started partying. And then what happened? He will tell. The tree will tell. Okay, this is what happened. All these things. The king, he called the carpenters and the carvings was done and there was temple built and now Pran Pratishtha should be done and he went to invite Brahmaji and all. They'll say, oh, okay, okay. Then they'll leave that land for the king. And now Brahmaji does all the Abhisheka and all the things. And then now by this time, God is very much, now the God has been placed, everything is done, every rituals and every process is done. Now God is very much impressed by Indradyumna's devotion. Because so many tests he gave him, no? First time he went near to his place, but then Neel Madhav disappeared, and then the log he could not lift, and he did not get carpenters, and then he got another shock that it is incomplete. So many things. After so many challenges, he came up, he passed all the tests. Now God is very happy, and he'll tell, ask for any wish, whatever you want to. Now, the wish of the king was to see Lord Neel Madhav, and he got it in the form of Jagannath. Now he'll say, I don't want anything. He'll say, no, no, you should ask for any wish. The king will think and he will say, okay, I will ask for a wish. I don't want. Okay, Anish is telling moksha. Okay, but he will say, what? He'll tell, I don't want my progeny to extend. That is, I don't want any of my family tree to grow. What is a family tree? Grandparents, then parents, then children's, for them grandchildren's, their great grandchildren's, and all this follows a family tree. No, the vansh, everybody. Now he'll say, I don't want that to grow further. It should stop with me. Now God, Jagannath will be like, huh? What is this kind of wish? Is it a kind of wish? Now Gundicha queen, who is Gundicha queen? Indradyumna's wife. So she'll start crying. What have you asked for? Means now she won't get any kids, no? She wants to feed them, play with them, everything. Now she'll start crying. What kind of wish have you asked with God? I want kids. What to do now? You have asked such nonsense, stupid wish now. And start crying. Now God will say, what happened? She'll say, I want kids. No, nobody will be there. I'll be very lonely. What to do? He'll say, we are there. No, we three will be your kids. Jagannath, Subhadra, and Baldev. We will be there for you. And now Gundicha Queen will be happy. And again, then she'll say, huh, but still, no. Again, Jagannath will ask, Why no? What happened now? She'll say, yeah, you will always stay in temple. Um, stay there, and then after my death, who will do all the rituals, processes, and the cremation, the shraddh, and all? After death of somebody, yearly we'll have we'll perform certain rituals to remember them. It is called, if you are aware, somewhere it is called as Shraddh, or it is called as Mahalaya, and then Pitrupaksh. If you are aware, else it's okay. Okay. So, who will do all those things? Real children can do, but how can you do? Then they'll say, no, no, we will do that. And even now, each year, all three, Jagannath, Subhadra, and Baldev, will be dressed in white clothes to do this Shraddha process. Okay, that is celebrated a kind of a day that God said, okay, I'll do it each and every year for you. Whatever promise he has done, it has been followed even today. And then she'll be like, huh, okay, fine. But still, she'll say, now God will say again, now what happened? Then she'll say, you will always stay in a temple. Then how can I feed you? You won't come to my home. I can't give you food to eat. You can't come and eat food. You can't ask whatever you want and all. They'll say, no, I'll come. And when does this happen? This also happens in, anybody wants to guess? What is that festival which we discussed? Sriniket has background also. Very nice. Very nice background. Okay, Himaswara is telling she don't fight with her siblings. Nice, nice. You are not able to join. Aparna, where is Aparna? Okay, this is just a story. Okay, I don't have anything to share the screen. What do you want?
I want you to share the PPT.
Okay, this is just a kind of story. We have not prepared any PPT. I'll ask them if they have any and we'll share it. Okay? Ishriniket.
I still remember the festival.
Huh?
I still remember the festival.
You still?
Yeah, I remember the festival.
Huh, what was that?
Ratha Yatra.
Very nice. Very good. Oh, sorry. I unmuted you again. You can mute. So even now it is called Rath Yatra. What will happen from the main temple? It will go to the Gundicha temple. Hima asked this doubt, no, in the last class. The queen's name and the temple's name is same. Why? So that temple is nothing but Gundicha, the queen's temple. The queen and the king idol is still there in that temple. So what will happen from the main temple? It will go to that there and it will stay for 7 days. There the god eats, sleeps, enjoys and everything. So once in a year, it happens. So here now, God promises, okay, I'll come to your home, eat your food and all the things I'll do and everything is done. And when do we have Rath Yatra this time? Anybody knows? No. Parinika? Yes, Parinika, I can Unmute.
Ma'am, not owning the video.
Turn on.
Not owning, ma'am. That's why I am dislike on the talking you.
Who is not? You can't see my video.
Ma'am, I can't. You were video seeing my video not owning. That's why.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine, no problem. Yes, Sarav. Sorry, Arnav.
27 June.
Very nice, very good. Thanks for turning on your video also.
Thank you.
Yes, Ridhish.
Ma'am, 27 June.
Very nice. Very good. Shriniket?
Same answer.
Nice, very nice way. Short and sweet, same answer. Okay, so it is on 27th June, and there is some particular kind of woods are used for the chariot, and there are so many procedures also. There will be Snan Yatra, in which 108 pots will be taken to bath all the three idols, and then so many such things. And he is like Jagannath, they are like us only. How we will be there? Like, if they want, they'll go out. If they don't want, they won't move. Sometimes the chariot won't move only. How much ever you try, it will stop at that place. And when he wishes to go, he will go. And there also, if he wants to stay somewhere, he will sit. And why does he have big eyes? Why does they have big eyes? Is to see all the devotees. That is also one of the significance. Okay, there is one more story that there was a fisherman called Raghu who was very great devotee of Lord. So once what happens, there was some festival and they had to offer food. Resha is sleeping. Listening. Okay. So they had to offer food and God used to accept that offerings. So once there was a king called Gajapati. He'll tell, I'll offer food to God and he will offer. And there is a procedure that he should, the person who offers should stand away and should take water in their hands and then pray, stand something and pray to God. And when they open their eyes, they'll see the reflection of God inside the water in their hand, which means that God has accepted the bhog, the food, whatever they have offered, and they have eaten it. Okay. So here what happens? After doing so much, now God is not accepting. Now he feels very sad that something is wrong in my food. Maybe the food is wrong, or maybe the process is wrong, and something has happened and God is not taking my offerings, and he will feel very sad. What has happened there? Lord Jagannath went to his Bhakta Raghu. He has gone there and he sits on his lap and he is offering food, and that one God is eating. The prasadam, whatever he has prepared, is eating. Now he will be very sad. The Gajapati king will be very sad and he'll sleep on that day. He will get in his dreams, Lord coming and telling, there was no mistake in your offerings or in your procedure or no mistake in the food. What happened was, my devotee had made prasadam for me, so I went there to have. Now he is feeding me, and I am eating. I don't want to come. I can't come. You come here and take me from here. Now what he does, he will go. What is so much special in this one? He will go inside that fisherman, the place. He is king and he will walk suddenly with some random for slippers and all. And he'll be going in that. Everybody in that will be shocked to see king in this form. What is wrong with Kim? Why is he in so hurry? Why is he not dressed properly like a king? Can you hear my voice? Ah. And he will go inside in searching Raghu, and then he will find him. Okay, he's the devotee. And from there, what he'll do, he will invite Raghu to the place, and he will make him prepare prasadam and offer it to God every day. So there are so many stories like this. He is very kind to the devotees also, Jagannath. He is said to be very kind, and he will listen to all the devotees. There are so many more stories, so many more things. Maybe we will cover it in the coming weeks. Okay. Now this story ended. Did you like it? Okay, we can take if any questions are there. Yes, Shriniket. Before that, I would like to add one more thing. Uh, what happens is there is specific time for the gods to sleep. Okay, at that time, the temple doors will be shut. The doors will be closed, no darshan will be provided. At that time also, demigods will come to see the king worship, see the lords, worship them. And also he doesn't sleep. Whenever he wants, he will sleep. And whatever he wants, he will go and ask it in the dreams of somebody. He will go now how he went to Gajapati king's dream and he said nothing was wrong, this was that. And if he wants something, he will go into the dream of them and will take, no, I want to wear this one today. I want to go here today. I want you to offer me flowers. I want fruits today. I want this food. I want that food and all. And till now, the prasadam, whatever is made there, is never ever gone waste. It is utilized by everybody and it is cooked in 7 layers, you know. First, here will be the fire and first layer of rice, second layer of rice, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, and the topmost layer cooks first. So it is a miracle, magic. From there, it starts cooking first, 7th layer, then 6th, this, and lastly, first. Usually, first layer should be cooked first, no? But it is reverse. And also in the temple, the flag, it flies in the opposite to the direction of the wind. If the wind goes this way, the flag should fly this way, no? Usually, but it flies the opposite direction. There's so many mysteries, so many wonderful things about Jagannath temple. Let's visit someday. Did anyone visit? Oh, Ridish and Parinika have visited. Nice, nice. Very nice.
Ma'am, I have visited
Very
just
nice.
10 days ago.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Hari bol.
Ma'am, I live in Odisha.
Oh, nice. Nice to know. I'll come to your home then when I visit. Yes, Parinika.
Ma'am, I live in Mysore. I am baby, no? That time I live in Mysore. This time I live in Patna. Why? Because here only have school. That's why they're only reading. That's why, ma'am. Ma'am, you the more you do, you more little bit more you do meetings.
You want me to extend this class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
More
But
I want this way.
okay, nice. Nice. Very good. Thank you. But now the story has ended. From next time, we'll increase. We'll take it till night, 4-5 hours. Yes, Riddhish.
Ma'am,
Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask. Raise your hands.
yes, ma'am, who is Sudarshan?
Sudarshan is the chakra that Lord Vishnu has.
Ma'am, do Lord Jagannath have a
Ha.
Sudarshan?
Yeah, he has that. Sudarshan is also in a form of Murti there, I believe. That he
Yes.
was a very great devotee, no? So he asked, even I want to be with you all the time. And then God gave him blessings to be one of the deity.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Very nice question.
Thank you.
Any other questions? No. Kritik Shan is telling no. Leave, I will go. No, Sanvika, no. Okay.
Right. Chanting is done?
No.
No, it's not. We can chant now.
Your
Is
voice
this
is breaking.
session over?
Yeah,
Hare
session is
Krishna.
over.
Is the session
Yeah.
over?
Yeah, it's
We can
done.
chant now.
Yeah.
Okay. Hare Krishna. Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay, let's chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Keep chanting. Very nice, Sanvika, Dhairya. Doing it with beats. Ridhish, Hima, Pavitra, and all others, Kritik Shan. Everybody very good. Siddharth was telling me, see me. He was doing exercise also. Very nice. Anish also good. Siri good. Siri was not chanting only. Why? Okay, keep chanting. Hare Krishna. We'll meet next week. Hare Krishna all.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, ma'am.
Another man.
Hare Krishna,
Radhe,
ma'am.
Radhe. What?
Hare Krishna, ma'am.
Also, you only then another man.
I don't know. Let me see who will come.
Hare Krishna,
Hare
ma'am.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Radhe
Radhe,
Radhe.
ma'am.
Radhe Radhe, ma'am.
Radhe, ma'am.